Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I'm able to make $300 profit in 30 days using Binance Earn. You can see here last day PNL I got $76.87. Okay, you can see it right there. So I'm going to show you how I'm able to do it, but before that let's go into the concept here. You can see there are 5 ways that you can make money on Binance trading crypto. Okay, the one that I'm going to teach you is called dual investment. Okay, and a little bit of this one, number 2. This is what I'm going to teach you. And you know there are this thing called buy and hodl. Basically you buy a coin. Let's say if you bought a Bitcoin, you buy it and then you do nothing. You just wait for the price to go up and then you sell at the profit. Okay, so this is more like a long-term buy and holding. You are not getting anything, you're not staking it, you don't put it into savings, you don't get interest. Okay, this is the very basic one. So most beginners, this is where they start from. Now number 2 is a little bit unique. You buy and then you stake it. It's like a bank. Let's say you have money, you put your money in the bank, then the bank use your money, to rotate it, and then they make more money and then they give you interest with very low percentage. That's what the bank's doing. The same thing here in the crypto market. You can actually go to wallet and then you go to earn. You can see these are all the coins that I'm staking, right? I just put it here. This is also called savings. Okay, sometimes they are flexible savings, sometimes it is lock savings, which mean like you put your money in the bank, right? You cannot pull it out because it's locked. You need to wait a certain amount of days or months before you can take it with the interest. So the same thing apply here in the crypto market. The one that I usually use is flexible savings, so that you can take your money anytime you can. And then also the interest is every day. Okay, the interest is every day sending to your spot wallet. So for example, if you see my USDT here, and if I show you my distribution, you can see these are the interest that I'm getting. Okay, it's at 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. And I'm going to mention, and this one that you see, $2,000, $1,200, $1,225, this is coming from dual investment. Okay, this is the third one which I'm going to talk about today. And also obviously we have number 4, buy and actively trading. Let's say you buy Bitcoin at 10,000 and then you sell it at 12,000. Or you can buy BTC down at 20,000 and sell it with profit at 15,000. Okay, it's the same thing. I already talked about a BTC down video. You can watch this if you want to know how you can short BTC in spot market. So these 4 are in the spot market, guys. And lastly, we have leverage. Okay, I also talk about leverage trading on this channel. You can basically borrow money from Binance and use it as a leverage and trade inside futures. Now with leverage trading, we have liquidation. Okay, we don't buy coins, we buy contract. We have liquid price when we are using leverage trading. These 2 in red, number 4 and number 5, are a little bit difficult. This requires experience and knowledge for you to read the chart. So most beginner probably they want to start 1 to 3, and 4 to 5 is for people who already have experience and a little bit of knowledge. Now number 4 and number 5, you can also do manual or you can use bot. Okay, I talk about a couple of bots on this channel, or you can check it out the video here. So you can actually use bot as well to trade. Again, you still need to know how to read the chart if you want to use the bot. Okay, it's not 100% you're going to win every time. Obviously, the more volatile the coins, the riskier it gets. So these 3 is considered low risk. this two is a little bit high risk. Okay, the lower it goes, the higher the risk is. And also, you know, there are other ways to make money like mining, liquid farming, or liquid swap. These also have the pros and cons. You know, mining, you need to know the right temperature for your device. You need to have a place, you need to handle the electricity, etc. And also for liquid farming and swap, again, if you're playing with the BTC or Ethereum with good coins, the APR is very low. And if you want to go for high APR, you run into the risk that the coin will disappear and you will lose everything too. You know, they are all have pros and cons, guys. If you buy and hodl, you know, you probably make not as much money as you were to actively trading. Again, they have their pros and cons, and it really depends on individual investor or traders. Now let's talk about how this $2,000, $1,000, $1,000 distribution is coming from. It's coming from here, guys. Okay, if you go to Binance homepage, you can click on Earn. So when you go to here, you can click on dual investment. You can see right there. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. Okay, I already make 2 videos about dual investment. You can watch them later. So this is just an additional video to show you how it works. So let's say I want to, instead I buy BTC at the current price, I can click here. Now I can either sell BTC for BUSD, or I can buy BTC for USDT, or buy BTC for BUSD. So let's say I want to buy low for BTC. Click on it. The current price right now is 19,100. So Binance says if the price goes to 1900, you put your money there. Okay, let's say you put $1,000. You can see the cutoff time in 3 to 4 days. Okay, you will get 159% APR of your $1,000. Since it is only 3 to 4 days, it's going to be 159 divided by 365 days, and you multiply by the number of days. Right? I'm going to show you an example here. So if let's say I put $100, right, you can see right there, if the price above 19,000, I make 1%. Okay, I will receive back $101. But if the price go below 19,000, I will get more BTC. Okay, if you do the math, $100 divided by the price right now is 1900, right? If you were to buy right now, you only get 0.00523. But if you use dual investment, you can get more BTC. You can get 0.005333105. Okay, so that's good. That's very good for beginners who don't know how to read the chart. You know, you can put it like this and then sit back and relax and wait for the day to come. But the cons of this is that, you know, if the price go much lower, let's say it goes to 18,000, you can actually buy cheaper. Okay, in let's say in 3 days or in 4 days, you can actually buy more Bitcoin if you use that same $100. But again, for people who are busy, they don't want to look at the chart, you know, they can use this. Again, this is of course better than you just buy and hold. It's better than you buy and stake. But sometimes if you know how to read the chart, sometimes, you know, reading the chart is better. You can make more money here. But again, this is a lower risk and less headache for people who are busy, who don't want to read the chart. This is a good option too. And this is just $100, guys. If you put $1,000, you can make $10 per day. You can make $10, right? So this is what I'm doing, guys. This is what I'm doing, and I just keep repeating this process. And then that's how I make $300 a month. And sometimes you can see the APR range. Sometimes you can see it's up to 300%. 300%, guys, is crazy, right? If you calculate here, 300% divided by 365 days, that is 0.8% per day. If you multiply by 4, you can get like 3% in 4 days. So that's what happened. So that's what happened into my here, into my distribution USDT. You can see I get $2,000, I get $1,000, $1,025. So for example, this one, like $2,000, I only put $2,000, guys, and I get back $2,032. So if you $2,000 multiply by, let's say, 1.6%, you can see I got $32, 1.6% in 4 days, which is not bad. And you can repeat this process. You know, $32 in 4 days is better than I was to buy and hold, you know, doing nothing. Or if I put in savings, you can see in saving I only get, you know, 40 cents, 43 cents, 43 cents, 54 cents. You know, it's still money, but it's not as much as this one, right? $32 in 4 days compared to you put $2,000 in savings, you only get, you know, 54 cents per day. So we can see dual investment is better. Okay, you can make more money. Again, you can watch my other videos here. I explain in more detail how you can trade it. And there are 3 different ways, okay, guys. You always want to check here and see which one is more profitable. Okay. And always, guys, always write down how much you put. Okay, you must keep track on it. Okay, very important, guys. Very important. Okay, very important. Keep track on the money. Okay, what price did you enter? What price did you enter? What price you expect? Ideally, you want to have a spreadsheet, make a Google spreadsheet, write down your investment and how much money you make. And if you want to keep rotating this, you can, okay? You can do your own planning and how you can keep making money with this dual investment. So to show you a little bit of example here, you can see, let's say I bought a 2000 BTC and I want to buy low and the target price is 18,500. And let's say the cutoff time hit, let's say in 4 days it hit. I want to put here in this column where I put, okay, this is my total investment, and then what coin, and then at what price, and the amount of coin. Okay, and then let's say if the price keep going down, I can calculate my average price. Okay, so that I know my actual average price. So I can sell when it's above it, or you know, I can sell whenever I want. I can sell the next halving when BTC reach 100k or 400k. Doesn't matter. Again, this is just your preference, but you must write down. Okay, you must note down every single transaction so that you remember, so that you don't lose track on your actual average price. Very important, guys.